It's me, I'm JC, just mentioned JC. I'm rocking a fro. And it's also today's Hair Porn Tuesdays. So let's get on the ball. I know I've been kind of like really showing you different hairstyles with braids. I did a braid out, I did a twist out, and I've been trying some new products. But it's time to go back to my staple. And also, let's go chic. I'm going to show you how I go from this to a stretched out version of my big old fro. My fro is kind of like real good, but look. Look at that. You see the detail? See all those curls? You see that curls though? You see that? You see that? You see that? You see it right there? That this is shrinkage. And shrinkage is a beautiful thing sometimes. And right now it's no different. I love my shrinkage and all that fun stuff, but this is all about having a chic, big old bun. We're doing bun life. And I may get to try my best to show you a top knot as well, but more story is going from this. Then I'm going to show you how to add products. And we're going to just do it. So, Hair Porn Tuesdays, don't you want to? I'm starting off with my L, my liquid of choice. This is aloe vera juice. And yes, if you watched last week's video, you saw how low it was. So I put some more in from the big jug to this one. So still using my spray bottle, excuse me. And to stretch my hair, I go from that to always wet your hair when you want to stretch your hair. Wet then stretch. Wet then stretch. You can use coconut oil. Excuse me, coconut oil as well, and it really will help like your detangles and stuff like that. But since I'm just doing a bun life from my big old little fro, and I'm adding my oil mix right here as my LOC, and it's my L and my O. My oil choice is always an oil mix of a lot of different things. Once that runs out, I get to show you where that goes. And I'm going to switch them up. I'm going back to my staple line, which is the Black Jamaican Castor Oil, Strength and Restore. This is the lock and braid butter. So this is the LOC. This is really thick. So I'm using a combination of this one. And I got the smoothie. The smoothie works out a lot because it helps your curls. And I'm going to show you more and more about that soon. And for extra moisture, I'm having 3 different C's. This is raw shea butter. This is the raw shea palm from Palmer's. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to show you from this stage, and I'm going to show you the whole lock method. I can't really show you the whole lock method because, like, other than, let's see, watch this. And that's just one part alone. And I don't want to make this video so long. Yes. Look, I have to feel that little nourishment. Okay. And I'll be right back with a full LOC. And I'm going to show you from this little one, so that you kind of see already me fluffing a little bit to a big old poof. Alright, ready? 1, 2. My stretch chair. This is stretch. This is because of the LOC. So if you saw it before, this is after. No lie. Alone, I love that my LOC can bring my curls more stretched. Still, look, if you look at it, like, look at it. So you see that it still got a little bounce back. But because of the water moisture, and this also helps prep. So, real quickly, recap. Aloe vera juice is my L. Then you go with her O. Or oil mix, which this is mine. Oil mix right here. A lot of stuff in here. And then I have this right here. This is the Lock and Braid Butter by Shea Moisture, Black Jamaican Castor Oil line, Strength and Restore, and then Strength and Restore Smoothie. Both of these are both white consistency. So this right here, a little goes a long way for me personally. So, and these both, one's just been opened, one's been used by like 3 times. This can last, it depends on you. Since I'm not really doing like a full-on like tutorial where I'm going to be doing like twist out, I'm only putting a little bit because I'm adding all 3. So let me just put a little bit in the head. And that right, and then I always add right now, because especially when it's cold, the Shea formula, Palmer Shea formula, the raw Shea Balm. And what you see right there, all that shininess, is from the raw Shea Balm. And water does a lot of it and stuff like that. So right now, literally, I can go from a top knot or I can go from a bun. So I'm going to probably get a top knot first, but this is, no lie, not going to be the best top knot. So pray for me, y'all. So look 1 is on our well. Look 2, I guess. Stretch curls is always a good look. Just saying. Haor Porn Tuesdays, don't you wanna? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, this is look 1. This is a weird top knot. This is why I said I don't normally do top knots, mainly because I feel like my hair most of the time isn't long enough. And this is cute though on the picture though. Like a genie. Watch this. Alright. So the reason why I do top, and this is why I do bun life a lot of times. Watch this. You see this? I had to zoom out. All of my what I love most about doing bun life, excuse me. Doing bun life is pretty much every time I take my hair out of a bun, my curls are still beautiful. You can have my bun, I can have my hair in a bun all night long and stuff like that, and then my curls are so bomb. So yes, sometimes your hair is a fail, but a bun for me, like a top knot or a low back, which I'm gonna show you next. And I'm gonna show you that one for real next. It's pretty much up to you. If your hair is long like mine is actually like that long. So my hair will probably be in a top knot. For me, for a top knot, my hair has to be really dry, but it has to be stretched and dry. So like today, it would not have been it's not really a doable thing. But say for tomorrow, if I keep my hair in another bun, or I make sure my hair stays stretched all day, keep it in a bun before I go to sleep, wake up, still have it stretched, then top knot's option for me. No lie, I'm going to show you a straight chic back, all the way to the back look. And all you gotta do is literally just start hand combing, hand brushing your hair to the back like this. See this? That's almost the whole foundation. So you may say, well, how are you really gonna get this being perfect? There's 2 things that I like to use for like a real chic one, and that is, of course, the curling gel souffle, and always a powder brush. Yes, a powder brush. And the main event is actually this right here. This is one of my loose scrunchies. This one will do a lot of damage, but if you don't have that, honestly, you get what you want. Just be careful because these right here can help your hair and can hurt your hair. Every time I take some out, and I'm not gonna lie, some hair comes off. So that depends. So I'm gonna go from this, well, from the bun back to this to, you know, you'll see in a second. Haor Porn Tuesdays, don't you wanna? This is the last part. Yes, I do want to do another day video so you can see the kind of results of like hours later and stuff like that. But last look is the last look. And this is a bun. What makes the difference a bun and a pony? You let your hair stay all the way out. And I'm kind of about that life, but I'm not. I like to make sure my hair is mainly tucked. Only reason why, because it helps your hair not to have friction with the world. Because naturally you move like I move. If you move like I move, which I'm kind of restrained because I miss my curls, y'all. I miss my curls. But bun life is a very easy process. I love doing bun life personally because you can do so much more than you think. My bun life for me is just a chic bunny. Well, chic right here. Sometimes I call it curly. You can see that I have a little bit of a wave pattern going on. And to make it more chic or make it more like memorable, also you can call it more like you know, more snatched, is you can use a do-rag. I always say use a do-rag or a scarf when you set it. This is like more of a 30 minutes to like an hour. This right here is just because I know what I'm doing and because my powder brush and I have my LOC process doing overtime. And plus, having a gel, like the curling gel souffle, which is kind of like a different consistency, plus having the raw Shea Balm, and this is a buttery effect, helps out. Your bun will vary. Don't lie about that. Your hair length matters a lot, so don't think that you can get to the same results as me. But with a gel and with good utensils like a brush, you can get like even this. You get the smooth effect easily. So that's pretty much it. And Hair Porn Tuesdays, don't you want? I'm going to come back with you next week for another video. Man, I hope that you try your best to stay woke, and I hope that you try your best to get your niche on. Niche, kink, kink. Get your kink on for Hair Porn Tuesdays. Try your best to stay woke. Catch you later next time.